Television's one of the most cute and naughtiest couple, Suyash and Kishwar. Exclusively on Bollywood now. You guys are looking very lovey-dovey. So what's the mystery? I mean, there's something there in the evening or what?
I think it's just the 2 days left to 3 years that we complete.
that's nice.
I think इस वजह से है ये.
I think 9th of January we complete 3 years together, and maybe it's a theme love story, so we just very
I guess
lovey-dovey.
it's love in the air.
blooming.
Love
Love
in
is
the
in
air.
the
What is the mystery of the true love? I mean, the couples are really lovey-dovey in the calendar also. So, I mean, one mantra which you guys carry all through it.
I think basic mantra that we carry is we are friends, first. And I think जब एक दूसरे से इतनी अच्छी दोस्ती होती है ना, तो then वो love automatically just keeps blooming, So I guess that's how it is with us.
Okay, what do you think?
I think I'll agree to her, but in our relation, I think the space we've given to each other, the understanding from her side, basically, मेरे से कम से ज़्यादा, I think उसने बहुत help किया हम दोनों को 3 साल एक साथ रहने में, and so yeah, I think एक relationship में understanding, balance करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, जो कि दोनों तरफ से रहा है, I think. I never thought, frankly speaking, I never thought जो मुझे हर साल एनिवर्सरी पे मेरा बुखार चेक करके बोलती है, बेबी आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं लग रही, आपका इतने साल हो गए, 1 साल हो गया, 2 साल हो गया. So but I think वो फिर करेगी 2 दिन बाद. But I am really happy, मतलब मुझे खुद को थोड़ा सा ऐसे शॉक सा हो गया.
So this year you guys are completing 3 years. So any bigger celebration, any surprises for Kishwar?
Let that surprise still, a surprise only. But I think last year I'd given her a promise ring, which it said I'll always be with you forever and ever. And I think mostly this year, by end of this, we'll tie the knot. So.
He's so sweet, I mean, isn't he? Right? Yeah. So what's your surprise? What's your surprise?
What's my surprise? I don't know. I'm not giving any surprises. I think I'm just letting him.
That's really bad. Unfair, huh?
नहीं यार, I mean थोड़ा तो लड़की को अच्छा feel कराने दो ना. Let him do everything. Like he's already planned a surprise for my birthday, which I obviously know. मतलब ऐसा surprise नहीं रह पाया.
Because वो friends के साथ सबने plan है, friends ने इसके आगे मुंह खोल दिया.
Yeah, because I just recently shot in Udaipur and I wanted to go and go with him to Udaipur. So he's already planned like a trip, to Udaipur.
You're looking absolutely stunning. How long did she take to dress up?
Not really. Okay, frankly speaking, not really long because she'd gone for a look test before this, and by the time I reached from Powai, she was ready.
Yeah.
So till then, I'm not waiting for her. I'm okay with it.
बाहर जाना होता है, the mantra है, जिस दिन बाहर जाना होता है, उस दिन एक look test के लिए चले जाओ.
So makeup already हो गया है. आगे बस कपड़े change करना है.
Okay, so is Shreyas romantic in real life?
Yeah, he is at times. Yeah.
What about him?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, because if I do something, so obviously in return, obviously if I'm getting what I'm doing.
Up first.
Me.
Always.
Always. See, I was the first one to answer it.
Okay, Valentine's is next month. So what all plans?
See, for me, before Valentine's, it's a birthday, so that comes before.
Double celebration of it. Sorry.
So yeah, that comes before.
Thanks, man.
That comes before, and 14th, again, of course, it's Valentine, as well as it's my mom dad's anniversary.
So I guess we just do a family thing.
Family thing before, and then maybe one day later, maybe later in the night only.
Okay, lastly, one message to all who love truly to their partners.
Love and let them be, give them space, and they will surely love you back.
Okay, one funda which I follow, I tell her as well. I have this picture it's in my phone since almost 3 years now, which is an old couple lying in the bed, and the lady asks, "Why do you think we survived, together for 65 years?" And he replies, "We come from the time when something went wrong, we used to repair it, not throw it away." So I think that I've always I've always seen this. I think in my parents, they're in a love marriage, and it's been 38 years they're together. So
Well, he's all yours, and you're enough lucky, Kishwar.
So I think that's something I follow, and I'll ask all the people who are in love, they should definitely follow this.
Well, this was very lovey-dovey. Suyash and Kishwar in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now, and keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest updates on television and Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Kishwar, and keep watching Bollywood Now.